one of the reasons why I'm saying AFI India has failed us here, it's because it's not an isolated event. Each of these athletes held the national record for the longest of time.
उसको भी थोड़ा अलग ही लाइट में दिखाया जाता है
Yeah.
कि भाई he was leading, he was never leading, right?
Yeah, that's you're talking about Bagh Milkha Bagh, right? Sriram Singh to compete at 1976, he sold off his household items,
Man.
and then at the end of the day, he died in port.
You see this guy over here, Usain Bolt.
Yeah.
इन्होंने भाई 8 ओलंपिक गोल्ड मेडल लाए, 8 ओलंपिक गोल्ड मेडल एक बंदे ने लाए.
2023 list of WADA, India is number one. It's like the most doped country, and most of our athletes are coming from the athletic sport.
Most of our athletes speak for the Asian championships, Asian games, which is not a good attitude to have.
For India to be
A sporting
power, India needs to do well in athletics.
That is like bare minimum, I think.
Yeah.
हमारा रियो ओलंपिक्स बहुत खराब जा रहा था, and Lalita Babar came up with a phenomenal performance to make it to the finals. That is one of your favorite performances.
That's
as well.
my favorite athletic performance of all time at Olympics. Like, I'm skeptical. I've always been skeptical because we've seen too many falls down. You know, like across sports, we've
that's
seen
true.
too many falls down, and so it's like by वो दूध का जला छाछ भी फूक फूक के पीता है.
कि आप प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो इनफ? आई डू नॉट थिंक सो. क्या उसके लिए फेडरेशन कुछ प्री प्लान कर रही है? आई डू नॉट थिंक सो. क्या उसके लिए स्पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया और MYAS जो है वो फेडरेशंस को अकाउंटेबल बना रही है? आई डोंट थिंक सो. अगर वो अकाउंटेबल बना रही हैं तो फिर उसके लिए क्या कर रही है? वी डोंट रियली नो. Hello and welcome to the second episode of this series that we are conducting, that is India's journey at the Olympics in different sporting events on IID Sports podcast. So I am joined with my dear friend Ankush, who is here with me, and we are going to discuss about the sport which on paper at least is the second best sport of India at the Olympics, and that is athletics. अब मेरे को पता है थोड़ा बहुत कंट्रोवर्शियल होगा भाई, तुम्हें नॉर्मन प्रिचर्ड के 2 सिल्वर जो है वो बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. व्हाई डोंट वी रिनाउंस इट? लाइक व्हाई डज नॉट द IOA रिनाउंस इट? मतलब बोलो यार, नहीं चाहिए अपने को, हटा दो. IOC से बोल के, मतलब कभी तुम प्रेसिडेंट बने तुम हटा दोगे उसको?
मैं तो चाहता हूँ कि वो एक जो है, क्योंकि हमको नहीं चाहिए.
बट अगेन अभी टेक्निकलिटीज में नहीं घुसते, बट ऑन पेपर स्टिल इंडिया का सेकंड बेस्ट स्पोर्ट आफ्टर हॉकी इज एथलेटिक्स. एंड अभी तक हम एथलेटिक्स में स्ट्रगल ही कर रहे थे अप अंटिल 2020 एंड 21 रादर. फिर जब नीरज चोपड़ा ने गोल्ड लाया, दैट वाज द टर्निंग पॉइंट ऑफ इंडियन एथलेटिक्स, है ना? तो यू हैव आल्सो हैड अ चांस टू मीट हिम इन द पेरिस ओलंपिक स्टेडियम. हाउ वाज दैट लाइक मीटिंग विद हिम? लाइक कैसी उनके साथ आपने बात भी की थी, एंड उनका ऑरा आप थोड़ा बहुत डिफाइन करें, मतलब कि वो व्हेन ही इज ऑन द फील्ड, मतलब हाउ डज एन इंडियन फील अबाउट दैट?
या नीरज के बारे में जितना बोला जाए उतना कम है, क्योंकि जितना हम्बल इंसान वो है, वो दिखता है जैसा वो स्क्रीन पे दिखता है, ऐसा ही रियल लाइफ में भी वो बंदा ऐसा ही है, और एक मेरा स्टोरी तो मेरा हमारा तो बहुत ब्रीफ इंटरेक्शन हुआ था सिल्वर मेडल जीतने के बाद. उसमें भी आके ही वॉज लाइक आस्किंग फॉर फॉरगिवनेस के आज ठीक से परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाया मैं. बट लाइक बहुत सारे फैंस के साथ ड्यूरिंग द प्रीवियस एडिशंस ऑल्सो ही हैड इंटरेक्शन, और जिस भी बंदे से आप बात करोगे, दिल से दैट कि नीरज हमेशा takes care of his fans, like I remember कि बुडापेस्ट में जब वर्ल्ड चैम्पियनशिप हो रहा था 23 में when नीरज चोपड़ा ने गोल्ड जीता था, तो इंटरव्यू में आके पहला चीज़ ही बोला था कि थैंक यू फैंस फॉर स्टेइंग अप एट नाइट, और वॉचिंग, दिस इज जस्ट अ सिंपल जेस्चर, राइट?
बट द पॉइंट इज नीरज चोपड़ा को देखने के लिए लोग रात भर जगते भी
बट वो अवेयर है उस चीज के लिए,
एंड दैट इज द पॉइंट.
दैट इज लाइक
आई हैव सीन हिम कि भाई जब भी कोई जैसे साउथ एशियन चैंपियनशिप्स हुए थे, इवन अंडर 20 चैंपियनशिप्स, ही काइंड ऑफ सबको कांग्रेचुलेट करते हैं कि, एंड सबको पहले लाइक ही विशेस द बेस्ट टू देम, एंड देन ही कांग्रेचुलेट्स देम.
एशियन गेम्स में भी जब हमारा 4x4 दैट वो आइकॉनिक फोटो है, डू यू रिमेंबर remember जब
हाँ
4x400 रिले टीम किशोर कुमार जैना और नीरज चोपड़ा
हाँ, the
साथ
six
में.
of them, yeah,
Yeah,
all
yeah.
together.
So he wants like
He
to,
wants us to be in a very strongly knit bond,
yeah,
the
yeah.
Indian athletes, and
और
that is the thing
yeah.
about him. Like again, मतलब वही नीरज चोपड़ा से मैं इसलिए स्टार्ट किया कि भाई बिकॉज वी वांटेड टू गेट द एलिफेंट आउट ऑफ द रूम, बट नीरज चोपड़ा ने अपना पहला ओलंपिक मेडल जिसको डेडिकेट किया था, वो बंदा जो है, वो बंदे जो थे रादर, he is widely regarded as one of the best athletes that India has ever produced. Milkha Singh. He was the first Indian athlete who kind of reached the finals, like post independence at least. The first Indian athlete who reached the finals at an Olympic Games. Milkha Singh ji. So उनकी legacy के बारे में what do you feel and how do you rate him as an athlete who has inspired मतलब generations in India?
Like who am I to rate
No,
him,
rate,
man?
I mean, like
So
his legacy. I'm
yeah,
talking about the legacy, not him as an athlete, but his legacy.
yeah, I would have expected to be better, you know, like we are not better at securing or like keeping the legacies
That was
of
my question
legend.
actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm.
So what has happened over the years, like all these athletes who have performed exceptionally well at the Olympics, we haven't been able to like replicate or like keep the system that produces the athletes in the same event, you know. If you see quarter mile event, like 400-meter event, Milkha Singh
Broke the national record in 1960.
yeah, 1960 Rome, and he was fourth. He broke the Olympic record along with the other
Other
three
three.
runners, and and that national record, for it to be broken, it took us 38 years. Yeah, when Paramjit
Paramjit Singh
Singh
Bish.
broke in 1998. So 38 years of stagnation. That's quite a lot.
Yeah.
You know, so that's where I feel the AFI India, like Athletic Federation of India, has failed to, you know, like what were his coaching methods, how he used to train, you know. So
So you're
that's
saying that those things were not documented
yeah,
properly, because अगर वो knowledge pass
knowledge
on
transfer.
होता
Yes.
तो मतलब कि India would have been a much better like powerhouse, kind of
Yeah.
powerhouse in quarter miling, because हम देखते हैं Asian Games में भी even the quartet that we had during the Olympics and 2023, so that was incredibly brilliant.
Okay, okay. So one of the reasons why I'm saying AFI India has failed us here, it's because it's not an isolated event. You know,
Right.
it's like if you think about athletic stars at Olympics who have like performed well,
हाँ जी.
you know, four names comes to your mind. One is Milkha Singh, 1960 Olympics. Second is Gurbachan Singh Randhawa
That was
in
1964.
1964 Olympics, 110-meter hurdles. Then there comes
Shriram
Shriram
Singh.
Singh in 800-meter.
1976
1976 Montreal, he finished 7th.
Seventh.
Guru Bachchan Singh finished 5th.
Fifth.
Right?
And then PT
then
Usha.
Then PT Usha at 1984 LA Olympics.
Yeah.
Right? She also missed by 0.1 second.
0.01, right?
So this phenomena of each athlete, individual athlete performing and getting to that height, and that event just disappearing into
Exactly.
abyss, you know.
That
So
is-
these are four events. Think about it: 400
That-
meters,
exactly.
110-meter
Meter
hurdles,
hurdles.
and then 400-meter hurdles and 800-meter.
800-meter.
So each of these athletes held the national record for the longest of time, you know.
and I
So
think
Milkha
PT Usha's
Singh's
is still,
yeah, it's
there.
equal, right? It took Vidya Ramraj, like still she only equaled
Equaled
the
it in
national
2023.
record. Yeah. So and Sriram Singh's national record was broken
Jinson Johnson in 2018,
yeah,
right?
after 42 years.
Correct.
Yeah. And similarly for Gurbachan Singh Randhawa also, it took 39, around 39
I think
years.
we are forgetting one more name, Shivnath Singh, who
Yeah.
whose national record is still not broken, 212 in the marathon.
Yeah.
So
But I'm talking about these four athletes specifically because these are the four athletes who made it to the finals.
Yeah,
of
in a
the-
track event.
Yeah, in a track event of the
Marathon
Olympics.
is only one event,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. So, but so yeah, so what? When for each of these athletes, if you see, or how they used to train, or how they were able to get to the final
Finals.
of the Olympics, there's very little documentation that is being done. You know, like why like if we were at a world standard in those years, we should have been ahead, right? We should have been should be there. Like why there has been stagnation across the 40 years,
Correct.
right? And for each of this, so if you see for each of these case, their coaching methodology, how they used to train were different. So in Milkha Singh's case, he was with the army, so army was his base, and so all the
So his training techniques and all
yeah,
must have been
yeah,
like
it was taken by his army coach and all.
coach, right? Huh.
In Sri Ram Singh's case, yeah, in 1976, it was
Ilyas
all
Babar,
dude Ilyas Babar,
Babar
and
also.
what a guy Ilyas
Yeah.
Babar, and what like it pains me that his family was considering selling his golden shoe, which
Wow.
he got in like in later years as the best coach in Asian coach.
Wow.
So he got a
So
national.
that they can
Yeah.
meet the ends,
So
right?
yeah, meet the he and because Ilyas Babar was such a renowned coach, he was known to sell off for
Mortgage's house.
For
Yeah.
Sri Ram Singh to compete at 1976, he sold off his household items,
Man.
and then at the end of the day he died in poverty.
So that like अंकुश हमने इसके बारे में बहुत बातें की भी हुई है like about poverty porn and how
Yeah.
it has affected our sporting heroes or sporting legacy in like हमारी मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया सिर्फ उसी पे फोकस करती है कि भाई ये गरीब है तभी ये कर नहीं पा रहा लेकिन जो कर चुके हैं ठीक है और वो फिर भी गरीब रहे that doesn't make sense,
Yeah.
right?
So if you see today's athletic star have it much better,
Yeah, because the system is in
System is
place
there, yeah. And that's what you expect
again,
also.
the Indian government is doing pretty well at least for now कि मतलब कि एथलीट्स का एटलीस्ट जो बेसिक नेसेसिटीज हैं वो पूरी कर सकें राइट वो तो पहले होता ही नहीं था आई एम प्रीटी श्योर अबाउट इट कि भाई उस टाइम के हम एथलीट्स तो वो शेयर विल की वजह से वहाँ पे परफॉर्म करते हैं आई मीन वी टॉक अबाउट मिल्खा सिंह मिस्टर गुरबचन सिंह रंधावा श्री राम सिंह जी के बारे में बात करो पीटी उषा के बारे में बात करो देन के एम बीनामोल 2000 सिडनी ओलंपिक्स में जब वो क्वालिफिकेशन हीट में फर्स्ट आई थी शी टुक मतलब उस टाइम पे कर्णम मल्लेश्वरी के मेडल से सारे ही पूरा देश ही एक काइंड ऑफ एकजुट हो गए एंड दे वर काइंड ऑफ रिजॉइसिंग इट एंड विच माइट हैव इंस्पायर्ड के एम बीनामोल एज वेल and so on and so forth. There are a lot of examples, but the point is that हम उन examples के साथ कुछ किए नहीं है, right? उनकी हमारी legacy को हमने preserve नहीं किया ढंग से. And who is to be blamed for it आपके हिसाब से? Like is it the federation only? Is it the athletes themselves? Like उनके पास क्योंकि knowledge का खजाना है, मतलब वो भी आगे आके अगर बोलें, but I think because of the bureaucracy in India, we don't really know how that pans out. But a lot of things have not been well documented, right?
Yeah. So it's a complex answer. You see, it's not a simple answer as like who is responsible. So if you see AFI, it was an amateur organization. It has transitioned to be a semi-professional organization now, and things are much better. Things are much better than what they were before.
Yeah, in the yesterday.
But we are still not progressing or the way at the pace we would like to. There are so many gaps across all the events that are there. If you count the number of world class event currently, right, in India, like at athletics, out of 48 events, there's like 2 events that comes to mind, 2 or 3 which we can say we are proudly into top 10 of world.
Yes.
One is javelin
Javelin
throw, second one is steeplechase, 3000 meter steeplechase, and another is men 4x400 meter relay.
Right.
These are the 3 events which are like we are at the world standard. Like all the other events are like we are either at the continental or there is no base at all.
Right.
So this thing it goes back to AFI. How AFI has been guilty of not doing enough. I can give you an example, right? In 2019, our high performance coach, he quit,
Because,
right?
Yeah.
And now it's been 6 years. Do you know who our high performance coach is now?
Yeah, it's I don't remember the name, but the point is that
You can't find that information anywhere. I don't even know whether they have appointed one more or not. I'll give you one more. Like in 2022, our Russian coach for 400
The woman coach, right? Or what's her
yeah,
name?
she quit, right? Ever since that, the performance of 4 by 400
Female
female relay team has been like it's been
I think her name is
downhill.
Galina
Galina, yeah, Bukrova,
Bukrova or
Bukrova or something.
Bukish, yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
Bukishin or
I'm very
something like
bad
that.
with names.
Yeah, similar, same here. But yeah, I mean, the thing is that उनको enough freedom नहीं मिल रही है from federation,
Yeah,
or is
yeah,
it
that is
like the
one of the
athletes
issue.
are
Like, if
themselves?
you see this thing, no, the autonomy thing, like the political interference that these coaches go through. You've heard mumble, in this rumbles and mumbles about these things, okay, they don't get the full thing. Even this thing, right? And there's one more aspect is there are like too many athletes or age group that they need to take care of, so there are juniors as well, there are
Right,
seniors as well,
right,
you
right.
know so one if you're appointing one coach to do take care of all those
They are
things,
already overloaded.
yeah, overloaded, and how will your top athlete,
I understand they must have some team with them,
yeah.
but the point is that uh, when you want some kind of an autonomy, you have identified a couple of players, you want to just take them and focus on them because you feel that they can win a big medal at the continental level, or can reach the finals in the world level. That is something that they can kind of ponder upon. But point is that our federation does not work like that. You
Yeah.
cannot appoint multiple coaches for a particular event, so that is something. But I think with the national center of excellences that are coming up, there is that thing, that change that is coming up, and you have multiple centers where there are multiple coaches. Also with the advent of these the corporates and Reliance Foundation and JSW Sports and IIS Inspire Institute of Sports, they are also doing pretty well to kind of uh, give that platform to the athletes who have reached a certain level, right? But again, the main challenge comes at the grassroots level,
Yeah.
right? ये हमने काफ़ी बार डिस्कस भी किया कि भाई ट्रांजिशन में दे आर मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर लॉस्ट इन ट्रांजिशन, some fall prey to doping, and this does not help our cause, right? When we talk about India's quest at Olympic Games, right? क्योंकि ओलंपिक्स में आपको कभी कोई टैलेंट को आइडेंटिफाई करना है, तो उसको आपको मतलब अर्ली टीन्स में या फिर मिड टीन्स में आपको उनको आइडेंटिफाई करना पड़ेगा, लाइक 13-14 ईयर्स की एज में, कि आपको आइडेंटिफाई कि भाई ये बंदा जो है या ये एथलीट जो है इज गुड इन दिस स्पोर्ट, सो वी कैन यूटिलाइज और लेवरेज हिम इन दिस स्पोर्ट, लेट्स सी हाउ दैट पैन्स आउट,
Yeah.
राइट? सो उसके बारे में अगेन देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ टॉक कि भाई हम अर्ली स्टेज पे टैलेंट को आइडेंटिफाई क्यों नहीं कर पाते, और प्रॉब्लम टैलेंट्स के साथ भी आती है। जो टैलेंट्स आइडेंटिफाई हो रहे हैं उनके लिए हम फाइनेंशियली इतना कुछ अच्छा नहीं कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज अगर हम फाइनेंशियली अच्छा कर रहे होते तो वो मतलब डोपिंग का रास्ता नहीं अपनाएंगे, राइट? सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स।
So that is one of the second core issue that Athletic Federation of India has
Still
been failed to
fighting.
address properly. It's like in 2023 list of WADA, India is number one. It's like the most doped country, and most of the our athletes are coming from the athletic sport.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, and we are second in behind Kenya in
Kenya now, yeah.
junior category. Junior category is like under 16 and under 18 level.
So उनको कौन बता रहा है?
Yeah,
It is the honors of the coaches,
it's
right?
a national shame. It's a national shame that we are that far ahead in doping. Like how have we allowed this to happen? Like NADA and AFI, they have not
Addressed it properly.
yeah,
I agree with
it's
your point.
their responsibility because doping is something that kills sport. It's like
That kills
and
the
one
interest.
of the core reason, like it's very fundamental with our incentive strategies or the things we do to promote Olympic sports across people of India, for the people of India. So you give them job incentives, right?
Right.
For the performance they give, and so sole soul aspiration
is
become
lost. Yeah, yeah. I can
soul
understand.
soul
हाँ.
aspiration is to get the
So
job.
wouldn't it be better, Ankush? I'm just saying here, just to add on to that, if अगर आप किसी एक एथलीट को आपने देखा कि भाई ये अच्छा कर रहा है, उसको गवर्नमेंट जॉब देने के जगह आप अगर उसको स्कॉलरशिप दे, ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर सैलरी और इवन मोर, ठीक है, बट दैट स्कॉलरशिप इज सब्जेक्ट कि भाई आप कितना अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हो, बट इफ यू गेट इंजर्ड दैट इज सेकेंडरी, बट अगर आप अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हो, इफ यू कीप अप द परफॉर्मेंसेज, योर स्कॉलरशिप विल इंक्रीज एंड योर पर्क्स विल इंक्रीज. कि इफ यू प्रोवाइड स्कॉलरशिप्स रादर देन गिविंग देम जॉब्स, कि आप अपने स्पोर्ट्स में अच्छा करें, सैलरी आप जो सैलरी है एक जॉब में उनको मिल रही है उसकी डबल स्कॉलरशिप दे दो ना. Isn't that a much better proposition?
Yeah, I'm like that is for the people at top to decide.
No,
Like
but,
I
we can at least discuss about it,
yeah,
right?
the thing is there has to be professionalism, like professionalization of the federation that needs to happen. Like what the fundamental issue which I see is with lot of our federation
Right.
across board
Huh.
is these federation are reliant too much on the government funding. So government it's like they don't generate revenue all the federation. If you see in the US and across European federations, they try to federation like works as an independent body.
Okay.
Like in India, we have BCCI working the same.
And
You can clearly see the difference. You know, they are not under
in the incentives that players see,
yeah,
right? Yeah.
and so what happens is when BCCI earns profit, it can trickle down. It has a trickle down effect. So BCCI passes a lot of the money into state association,
Right.
and a lot of things happen. Right, there's no structure like that happen. It's
happening
happening
in
India.
India, at least in any
other than-
federation, but
yeah.
AFI is also one of those
Yeah,
federations.
so there are lot of things federation needs to do. Like federation, like lot of sport. Like think for it, a badminton federation can easily bring up sponsors and they can generate revenue by themselves. So, but
why can't athletics do it? Athletics is one of the most watched sports in any country, right? If you see any AFI's event, like is the nationals or under 23 or under 20, there are a lot of people that are watching it live on YouTube. You can generate a lot of sponsorship deals if you want to.
Yeah, like even if you see the recent NC Classic which happened, you know,
Yes,
that's
yes.
a great
That's a prime
example.
Yeah, that's a prime example कि भाई आप athletics को कहाँ पे ले जा सकते हो. But yes, talking about that, but the things as we speak are changing right now. And about doping, I totally know that NADA is heavily understaffed, and but still in their capacity वो जितना हो रहा है वो कर रहे हैं. But it kind of comes down to the athletes and the coaches as well, right? पता नहीं क्यों एथलीट्स अभी तक डोपिंग के मेथड्स को फॉलो कर रहे हैं. उनको लगता है कि कोई बच गया तो हम भी बच जाएंगे. That is not happening these days.
Yeah, like even if you are like doing it, that's so blatant. Like doping
मतलब
in India
performance
is like
improvements are so blatant.
yeah, it's so blatant.
They're
you
very
know, like,
obvious and clear. Yeah.
It's ridiculous and funny also, quite because like they are using it in the centers. You know, like it's crazy how doping has like taken shape in India.
It's shameful.
Yeah,
it's more than anything, it's shameful. And to curb this menace, I think the most important factor is the federation, and then NADA will play its part when as and when needed. But the point here is that why it is happening to our athletes, because is it the financial issues? I really cannot fathom it. क्यों भाई तुम लोग हमेशा ही मतलब इस चक्कर में फंस रहे हो, और बहुत बारी तो मल्टीपल ऑफेंडर्स भी आपके सामने आ रहे हैं.
Yeah.
So that's not great.
Yeah, I think that there has to be something. This is a very serious issue. Like I feel this is a very serious issue that AFI and NADA needs to sit together and really do something about it, because this will keep letting us down at the World Forum and everything like all the events that we are planning to host also in future.
It will have an adverse effect on that as well. Like,
yeah.
That is correct. But this is the despair. But let's talk about hope. We have got a lot of new athletes, budding athletes who are potentially have the talent to kind of represent India at the world stage and bring laurels to India, right? We see a lot of athletes in the jumping events, at least, like at the under 20 level. We have got a truckload of jumpers over 8 meters. The latest of them being Anurag, who kind of recently did it in, I think, under 23 meet
Yeah.
nationals, right? They are led by a very potent athlete in Murli Shishankar, who has been an inspiration for all of these.
What a
But
comeback story,
what a
huh?
comeback story! I mean,
Yeah.
yeah, Shri has been. He has. I see stories. He calls it the Mamba mentality, right?
Mamba.
Yeah, I mean, from taking inspiration from
Kobe.
Kobe
Kobe
Bryant,
Bryant.
exactly, and the late Kobe Bryant, and he is one of those athletes who uh, is kind of matured enough. He's to kind of take it a notch up. Right, he was the finalist, one of the finalists in 2022 World Championships, if I'm not wrong, in Eugene.
Yeah, one of the things I like about Shri is the consistency. Like I saw Shri first time in 2018
Asian
Asian
Games,
Games,
yeah.
where if you see he wasn't like he qualified in the first jump to the final. He didn't win the medal, and he like when the camera was panned to him, he said, "I'll be back."
Yeah, I
He
know.
said, "I'll be back,"
Yeah.
and he was
Yeah, he
back.
doesn't feel really great about that now. बोलता है कि भाई पता नहीं क्यों मैं बोला उसको कैमरा में देख के.
No, but it's like we need athletes with personalities,
Exactly. That
like
it's like they're in track and field.
yeah,
It is mostly it obviously it's about the talent, but it is a lot about your attitude as well.
yeah,
It is
a lot,
about like the confidence you carry. Right, so
yeah,
ऐसे athletes अपने को चाहिए, definitely
yeah,
चाहिए. Like I see that confidence lacking these days in Jaswin Aldrin, in
yeah.
Shally Singh, who had
Shally Singh's trajectory has been so
it has
disappointing
been
to me.
disappointing. Yeah, it has.
Like from under 20,
Silver medalist in
yeah,
Nairobi.
6.76 and not being able to get
6.76 in 2023, and
yeah,
then it
and
has been a
then not
downgrade.
being able to get anywhere close to that mark.
But the point is that उनके बारे में ना ऐसा बताया गया कहीं पे कोई इंजरी हुई है anything, but how can you not improve from a mark that you, मेरे को याद है वो इवेंट मैंने लाइव देखा था, कांतिरवा में होता 6.76 जब उन्होंने किया था, देयर आई सॉ हर डूइंग ए 7 मीटर फाउल. ठीक है, तो उनका पोटेंशियल तो मतलब अराउंड 6.8 6.9 तो हुआ ही. सो वहां से इतना ज्यादा डाउनग्रेड होना, दैट इज मतलब उसका कोई आंसर ही नहीं है हमारे
Yeah,
पास. आई
and one of the problem with federation also is the lack of transparency in maintaining or like providing information to fans for these athletes that we have hopes, like these are like you see which can reach to the
पिनिकल, या
world standard. Yeah, but what can be done? uh,
आई थिंक इसका जवाब वही है कि मतलब कि आपको एक एथलीट का पूरा ट्रेजेक्टरी जो है उसको अच्छे से यू हैव टू एनालाइज इट. यू
yeah,
नीड what do we say, you need a good analysts in your team जो बता सके कि भाई ये दिक्कत आ रही है. देन इट इज फॉर द कोचेस टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये दिक्कत क्यों आ रही है. राइट, क्यों इतने आपके जो मतलब आपकी जो परफॉर्मेंसेस थी, वाई आर दे गेटिंग डिग्रेडेड बाई 20% और 25% और 15%. ये चीज़ वर्ल्ड लेवल पे जब आप एक प्रॉमिस शो करते हो, लाइक शैली वॉज डूइंग जंपिंग 6.5 एंड शी वॉज 16, राइट, तो वहां से इतना नीचे आना, दैट इज नॉट
one of the
अंडरस्टैंडेबल.
things
एंड
that I
सिमिलर थिंग इज
really want
हैपनिंग
to
टू.
see is the coaching program, right? So like it's very important that we have Indian coaches. We have a system, a program which produces Indian coaches more, because we've seen like relying on foreign coaches. It's not a way to grow. Like for any nation to become really good across
I
the
think we have seen
events.
that in shooting, है
Yeah,
ना?
yeah,
Shooting में we have a bunch of Indian coaches who have actually
yeah.
transformed the
Sport.
sport in India at least. So मतलब ऐसा सेम चीज आप एथलेटिक्स में नहीं देख पा रहे.
Yeah.
एंड जो भी कोचेस हैं वो मतलब कि थोड़ा they do not want to work as a team. That is something of a problem. And बहुत सारे coaches which
Yeah,
we
so
see in
there's
the
like so
in
PT Usha has her academy in Kerala. Anju Bobby George also has her academy, right?
in Bangalore only,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. But yeah, you see like lack of system which is there in place.
Right.
It's like you need this unified approach to solving a problem. You know that there has to be some systematic like pathway or roadmap to like from identification of the talent to them like making the junior events and then transitioning
Into
from
senior level, yeah.
yeah. So this is like all the steps for a athlete like from junior to making it big. Those are like very key that those needs to be planned, you know.
नहीं एक्चुअली में इसको आप इस नज़रिए से भी देख सकते हैं. जस्ट इमेजिन कोई एक एथलीट है, हम ले लेते हैं किसी का भी नाम लेते हैं, हम XYZ रख देते हैं. समझ लो वो इवेंट कर रहा है 400 मीटर. एज अ जूनियर उसने 45.80 सेकेंड्स कर लिया, लाइक अंडर 21 में, अंडर 20 में ही रीच दैट मार्क 45.8. ठीक है. उसके बाद ड्यू टू सम रीजंस 1-2 साल के लिए ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू डू, मतलब रियलाइज हिज और हर पोटेंशियल टैलेंट. ठीक है. तो वहां से आई हैव नेवर सीन अ स्टोरी कि भाई वहां से कोई कम बैक मारे एंड रीच द ग्रेटर हाइट्स. लाइक अभी हम 2 साल पहले ही, 3 साल पहले ही एक अप एंड कमिंग एथलीट की बात करते हैं, रेजना हीना मलिक, राइट. शी हैड क्लॉक्ड 52 पॉइंट समथिंग इन 400 मीटर एज अ 15-year-old. दैट इज अनहर्ड ऑफ, राइट. वहां से अगर ये किसी और देश में होती लड़की, उसकी ट्रेजेक्ट्री अलग होती. बट उसको ना आपने ढंग से उनको रिकूप कराया आफ्टर हर इंजरीज एंड ऑल, ना उनको आपने वो बोलते ना मेंटली उस तरीके का आपने उनको आश्वासन दिया कि भाई यू गो एहेड, विल वी हैव योर बैक. एंड शी वाज इवेंचुअली she ran out of gas.
Yeah,
Right.
like Vishang, it will be a night. Like if we start talking about these all the
That is
issues
true.
that currently
But the point
plague
is
our
that
system.
like this transition issue from junior level to senior level is the paramount issue along with doping right
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
तो ये दो issues ऐसे हैं जिनको हमें solve करना है.
But our like initially we started with our glorious Olympic history past. Like, would you like to tell us more about the Gurbachan Singh Randhawa? How
Yeah, Gurbachan Singh Randhawa was a decathlete initially, and then he transitioned into 110-meter hurdles जब उनको लगा कि भाई decathlon में it
he
will
won
be-
gold in 1962 Asian
Asian Games as well in decathlon,
Yeah.
है ना. But making that journey from being a decathlete to a 110-meter hurdles,
By the way, he broke 4 national records in 2 days also there.
like just understand that during the heats and
Javelin,
semifinals,
javelin, if I remember correctly, javelin, high jump, 10-meter hurdles.
in 62 I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, and yeah, that was the crazy part. I mean, just imagine the kind of talent that man
Yeah.
must have had or possessed, right? And even if we track back to 1960, Milkha Singh gave one of the performance of his lifetime, which is मतलब उसको भी थोड़ा अलग ही लाइट में दिखाया जाता है कि भाई he was leading. He was never leading, right?
Yeah, that's you're talking about Bagh Milkha Bagh, right?
हाँ, I mean बाग मिल्खा बाग से पहले भी even when I was a kid I used to hear that story that he was like leading up until I think हमारी किसी बुक पे चैप्टर भी था ये कि भाई he was leading up until 250-meter mark, then he came back, but then he kind of fall back because he looked back at the back at his
In the
back.
movie they show like somebody shouting Milkha.
Yes, it was Yogaraj Singh. भाई उसने करियर बनाया युवराज सिंह का यार, कम ऑन. बट एनीवे, मतलब मिल्खा सिंह great athlete, a legendary athlete, and flat 400-meter में करना, that's a crazy part, right? And then we moved on to 70s. वहाँ पे हमारे पास ट्रिपल जंपर थे, मोहिंदर सिंह गिल, if you might remember him. He once actually broke the world record, which was called a foul, but no one in the stadium was convinced that it was a foul. ठीक है. तो he was representing India at the 72 Olympics but didn't qualify. Again वही बात है कि मतलब कि पीक कब करना है इसकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग तब तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं थी, राइट. एंड बिकॉज एन एथलीट वुड डू कि भाई अपना बेस्ट वो तभी देंगे जब उनकी बॉडी फील कर रही है अच्छा, राइट.
There's one of the problem that I've seen in Indian athletics over the years. If you see, like our athletes will put all their energy into qualifying for the event, but when the actual event happens, be it World Championship or
Or the
Olympics,
Olympics.
it's like disastrous performances.
It has been a disaster performance
It's
more
like
often than
it's a
not.
very normal, right? If you think about the recent Tokyo World Athletics Championship that
Yeah,
we were
we were
there, we were
there.
there to watch, right? Like none of the athletes who you expected to shine or perform well showed up, like one of the biggest disappointment was Gulveer,
Yeah.
right? Like he had such a terrific season,
Yes, he did. He did.
like having an area record, like training in
5,000.
Colorado,
Yeah.
and then you
इसमें
then
मेरा एक ओपिनियन है. आई मीन मैं पर्सनली जब भी किसी एक एथलीट को वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप्स में देखता हूँ ना, आई नेवर जज हिम ऑन द हिज परफॉर्मेंस इन हिज फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप, हिज और हर फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड
so how do
चैंपियनशिप.
you see the Tokyo 2025 World Championship?
टोक्यो 2025 वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप वाज अ मिक्स्ड बैग फॉर मी. ठीक है, मतलब फ्रॉम एन इंडियन पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ कोर्स. मतलब मैंने देखा था, आई वाज लाइक मेरे लिए तो ये ड्रीम कम ट्रू था. लाइक योर्स वाज पेरिस, माइन वाज टोक्यो. जो
Yeah.
मैं 2020 में देखना चाहता था वो 2025 में देख लिया. एंड मैंने बहुत सारे एथलीट्स को वहाँ पे, मतलब जो मेरे मतलब कि ड्रीम मतलब कि परफॉर्मर्स रहे हैं. पेड्रो पिशार्डो हो गए.
What a event that was, huh? Men's triple jump, yo, God, yo,
crazy.
crazy.
And he kind of pulled off his bib and shown it to the
Yeah.
camera.
वो लीड है भाई, ये होता कॉन्फिडेंस यार.
What a
What
a
showman.
personality.
Every individual track athlete or a field athlete is a showman.
Yeah.
Like when we talk about the world stage. ठीक है, ये कॉन्फिडेंस की बात थी. जो ये कॉन्फिडेंस आजकल हम तेजस में देखते हैं. ये कॉन्फिडेंस आजकल हम ज्योति में देखते हैं. नीरज ने एक इतना बढ़िया प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया. वी हैव टू कैपिटलाइज इट.
Yeah.
So, but talking about the Indian perspective at the 2025 World Championships में ना,
So total 19 athletes qualified for Tokyo
हाँ, right.
World Athletics Championship. Out of 19, like
Four finalists.
Yeah.
4 or 3?
No, I think Gulveers you can't count as a finalist. He failed to
अच्छा,
make 5,000 meter,
हाँ.
right?
ये 3 finalists.
So we got one Sarvesh,
Sarvesh,
which
who finished 6th,
fin-
and that was an incredible performance.
Yeah,
Salute to him.
yeah.
Like he's pulling out those performances at the big stage. He's understanding that what is his ceiling, but he's kind of breaking that ceiling
Yeah.
every time.
Constantly,
He's a legend. I think
Yeah.
in Indian high jumping scenario, he is one of the legends of the sport. I would love him to see on an Asian Games podium at least, because Asian Games medal is a much more difficult sorcery now. Like
Yeah.
in high jump, you have Woo Seng Hyuk, and then we have these Japanese high jumpers, the two of them. Then you have one from Malaysia who is doing brilliantly. Chinese high jumpers are brilliant. Mutaz Isa Barshim had been like a trendsetter in Asian high jumping for the very long time. So Asian high jumping is a very tough nut to crack, and I hope that Sarvesh wins the medal next year in Aichi Nagoya. Sarvesh's performance at the 2025 World Championships was amazing. It was crazy good, like performing your best at the biggest stage of your career. I mean, hats off to him. Again, मैं अब सर्वेश की बात इसलिए कर रहा हूँ. देखो, आप इसको इमेजिन करो उस नज़रिए से कि सर्वेश ने जब अपना डेब्यू किया था वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप्स में, ही डिड आई थिंक 2.22 एंड वाज नॉट एबल टू क्वालिफाई फॉर द फाइनल्स इन बुडापेस्ट, राइट. लेकिन सेकंड वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप में नाउ दैट ही हैज़ गॉट दैट मोर सीजन कि वर्ल्ड लेवल पे कैसे परफॉर्म करते हैं, सो ही डिड अ मच बेटर जॉब इन 2025. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग कि जब मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि ना फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप्स में इतना वी शुड नॉट ड्वेल डीप मतलब with the
But
performances.
were you happy with the performances of Parul Chaudhary per se?
When I talk about Parul Chaudhary, I see
Parul Chaudhary, and then there were other, like
Priyanka was not good,
Priyanka, yeah.
and then we had a few more disappointments in like javelin also. Anurani didn't do as
Praveen
per.
Chitravel
Praveen
also.
Chitravel, I was actually satisfied with his performance. He was not himself satisfied, but I was satisfied. Reason being, triple jump is a very fierce field these days. Like you have to be
But
very
not
good.
making it to the final is, do you think is justified? Not making it to the how would you consider that satisfiable performance if like athlete who's capable of reaching final, like he's at that level that he should make the final,
Right.
like that should be the normal. But if he's not making it to the final, how would you deemed it to be satisfiable?
Like I'll tell you why. Because Praveen has been trying to give his best in every event that I've seen him. Whether be it like he was the a bronze medalist at the Asian Games as well in 2023. He placed fourth in Commonwealth Games, right?
Yeah.
1689, and he has given consistent performances at the global level and the Commonwealth and the Asian level as well. But the point is that he kind of flinches a little in like the big events.
After having experience of this many years, like, do you think so? What's the
Hani, why I am saying I was satisfied because he did a 16.75 meter jump, which was one of his best jumps at the World Championships ever. A. B. He had a foul of 17.20 meter, which was a very small foul. If you see that, ना I saw that. उसके बाद आके ना घर पे मैंने देखा और मतलब it was a very small foul. वो
But
मतलब
that doesn't count, Vishang, right?
नहीं, it doesn't count, but
that's not how the sport works. You
नहीं,
know, you don't count
that
the
is
foul.
true. That,
You can't get your satisfaction out of the foul jump.
नहीं वैसा नहीं है बट मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि मतलब कि अगर किस्मत थोड़ी सी भी इधर उधर होती तो ही वुड हैव बीन अ फाइनलिस्ट इजीली.
But it doesn't run on luck, right? That's what I'm telling. No, like the least we expect from our athletes when they go out in these
To give their
competition
best
to the
or at least reach the
representation.
finals,
Yeah.
you're saying. Yeah.
It's A is like if you're not in the position to reach the finals,
Finals.
you do your PB.
Best.
You peak at the time that you are able to do SB or PB, right? And the second one is you make it to the finals if you are at that level, and Praveen is at that level that he should be making it to the finals.
Yeah, I agree
If
with you.
not now, when? Like World Athletics Championship comes every 2 years, and the season or the career of the athlete is such that you never know what's gonna happen down the line in 2 years. You
Yeah,
may you
that's
may you may have an injury. So it may be like for
Or
a
you
lot
may
of
become a world beater. That is also a
that
possibility.
that is possible, but you should have that mindset
Yeah.
that this can be my last world championship also. You don't know.
Like perform in every competition like you feel that it's your last,
No,
right?
but like specifically for Olympics and World Championship, because
That
that
has
is
to be that,
that
right.
is that is when the eyes are on you. Like these are the kind of championship events that
Which
can
differ
make you
you,
that can make you star overnight sensation across India. These are like if you perform well, if you are like capable of doing it, then you should do it, right?
Right.
The-
But yeah, I mean, the thing is that they have to be a little more mentally tough.
Even for Parul's case, like what happened with Parul, we still don't know.
I still don't understand.
Like she was like she did NR, right? She did
9-12
nine,
something,
yeah, just before the competition. And then these athletes go for a high altitude training outside, and they didn't know what was the conditions in Tokyo
Tokyo.
were. Then like I heard lot of athletes come out and say that like the condition weren't favorable. It was too humid
Humid,
and hot in Tokyo. But you already knew this. The World Championship are happening
If you didn't know, you should have planned for it. Yeah,
yeah,
that is true.
It's like Tokyo is hot and humid
During those months.
during those months. Yeah, this was a prior knowledge.
Yeah.
So like, who do you blame this management? Like, is it a management failure?
It is like athletes should also bring it to the knowledge of the federation and the stakeholders that hey, we are going to this event. This event is going to take place in these conditions where we are expecting a humidity of 60%, 70%. We are expecting a temperature of 30 degrees, 35 degrees. That needs to be told to the federation, and federation also needs to make a training schedule up according to that, right? I do not see that happening, right? I know a few athletes who have been vocal about it, but as of now it has been फॉलोइंग ऑन द डेफ ईयर्स ओनली, कि भाई उनको वो ट्रेनिंग फैसिलिटीज़ ही नहीं प्रोवाइड की जा रही जहाँ पे, जैसे साल के बड़े इवेंट देखो, हर ऑड ईयर में जो हर ऑड ईयर में आपका मतलब जो भी यहाँ से ऑड ईयर आएंगे उसमें आपका जो बिगेस्ट इवेंट है साल का वो रहेगा वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप्स। हर इवन ईयर में आपका रहेगा एशियन गेम्स, कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स, और हर लीप ईयर में इट विल बी योर ओलंपिक्स, राइट? सो यू हैव टू पीक फॉर दोज इवेंट्स इटसेल्फ ना। आप ये नहीं बोल सकते कि भाई देखो मैंने वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप से पहले ये मार्क अचीव किया था जस्ट बिकॉज यहाँ पे ये बिकॉज आई डिडंट गेट फेवरेबल कंडीशन। फेवरेबल कंडीशंस आपके लिए देखो, इफ इट इफेक्ट्स यू इट इज बाउंड टू इफेक्ट अदर्स, सो उनका भी परफॉर्मेंस नीचे जाएगा, ठीक है? जब एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन पेपर टफ आता है वो सबके ही नंबर कम करता है, सिर्फ आपके कम नहीं करेगा, राइट? सो इज द सेम एनालॉजी, ठीक है? बट देयर आर अ फ्यू एथलीट्स जिनने मतलब कि इस चीज को भी पार पा लिया, सो दे कंडीशंस डू नॉट रियली बॉदर देम, सो उनसे यू कैन टेक इंस्पिरेशन, ठीक है? बट अगर आप उन एथलीट्स को देखो वो गिने चुने होते हैं, लाइक हर इवेंट में आपको 2-3 ऐसे एथलीट मिल जाएंगे। अगर 2-3 एथलीट्स मिल रहे हैं तो उनको आप हटा लो, तो बाकी तो वो पोजीशन है जिनके लिए आप compete करो, 5th आना है आपको अगर वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप में, 8th आना है, 10th आना है, दैट इज अ वेरी रिस्पेक्टेबल पोजीशन। बट उसके लिए आप प्रिपेयर करो इनफ? आई डू नॉट थिंक सो। क्या उसके लिए फेडरेशन कुछ प्री प्लान कर रही है? आई डू नॉट थिंक सो। क्या उसके लिए स्पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया और MYAS जो है वो फेडरेशंस को अकाउंटेबल बना रही है? आई डोंट थिंक सो। अगर वो अकाउंटेबल बना रही हैं तो फिर उसके लिए क्या कर रही है? वी डोंट रियली नो। तो ये चीज़ें क्लैरिटी में ही नहीं है। जब मतलब कि ये चीज़ें मेन स्ट्रीम में आएंगी तभी लोग इसको जानेंगे, तभी लोग इसको पहचानेंगे। और यही हमारा अभी मतलब हमारी भी यही पहल रहेगी कि भाई इसको हम अच्छे से मेन स्ट्रीम में लाएं और इसको अच्छे से डॉक्यूमेंट किया जाए ताकि आगे आने वाली पीढ़ियाँ या फिर इवन दीज एथलीट्स डू नॉट हैव टू लुक, मतलब कि अपना हेड स्क्रैच नहीं करना है हर वक्त कि भाई ये कहाँ रह गया, वो कहाँ रह गया, ये मेरे को अचीव करना था, वो कहाँ। बट अगेन टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल दीज थिंग्स, ये सारी चीजें
So apart from your frustrations with Indian Federation and management,
Federations
like
are
you, I
frustration,
know
yeah,
that you
yeah.
love athletics very much. Like, so what was your moment at the athletics? Which other athlete or event that you saw and like apart from
In
that?
Tokyo,
Yeah, in
I
Tokyo.
Sydney McLaughlin ने जो किया
Yeah.
है, that was crazy. Even that Botswanan runner जो 400 में
Four,
बोल रहा
four,
है,
four,
he's
yeah.
a very complex name, too many syllables,
Yeah.
something Bashi or something like that, ठीक है? And he was a star of the show. He's just 20 or 21,
Yeah.
and वो 43 point something clock कर रहे हैं, that's crazy good.
Yeah.
And then we have that, then we had that upset.
That
जहाँ-
Sydney event, right? The Sydney was like so hyped up. I was really hyped up to see, and it just lived up to the hype.
And Paulino gave her
Yeah.
the run for her money.
Yeah.
I mean, it was a crazy event.
And then Polino also took a shot at Sydney.
कि भाई मैं 6-7 इवेंट्स करती हूँ साल में, 2 ही करती है, so do not compare. There is not apples to apples comparison. But yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
that is the thing about
Yeah,
athletics. That
yeah.
people do not shy away
Yeah.
like about speaking their mind. And I hope कि ये चीज़ जो है हमारे एथलीट्स में भी आए, because we have a lot of athletes, ठीक है? I mean, who can actually do this thing? Like we have Tejaswin, we have Tejas, we have Shri, we have Neeraj Chopra, who can kind of put out these things in public domain so that people know that hey, यहाँ पे हम लैक कर रहे हैं, हमें क्या क्या चाहिए, राइट? अगर ये बोलेंगे नहीं तो लोगों को पता कैसे चलेगा? अगर लोगों को पता नहीं चलेगा फिर तो इट्स अ नॉन एंडिंग साइकिल भाई। फिर लोग तो फिर क्रिकेट ही देखते रहेंगे, देख लो फिर यही करना है आपको अगर तो।
नहीं, बट ये जरूरी है because I love athletics as a sport. You know, track and field has a lot of potential, I feel, and it's such a watchable sport. I think if we invest well and if we give our athletes deserved platform, it can do wonders for India. I think we.
But doesn't it surprise you कि भाई हमारे पास yesteryears में इतने टैलेंट रहे? Like it still baffles me, PT उषा के पास ओलंपिक मेडल नहीं है, ठीक है? जबकि she is one of the greatest athletes from Asia all time, right? तो मतलब कि उनकी ट्रेनिंग मेथड्स जो थे, obviously तब इंडिया में मतलब कि बिकॉज इंडिया वाज स्टिल एन अंडर
So one of the
डेवलप्ड नेशन.
reasons why, like for hurdles, I can tell you specifically one of the reasons why we've like stagnated a bit, or this thing is because uh, in so for hurdles, like World Athletic Federation empathizes that you have synthetic track for, because it's a technical and height this thing. For a long time, like after Gurbachan Singh Randhawa also, we didn't have
Have
the
those synthetic tracks,
synthetic
yeah.
tracks
अब तो Mondo tracks
अब
हैं.
आ रहे हैं, but for a lot of times, so that way also we stagnated a bit because our athletes didn't have those synthetic tracks to
अरे भाई जहाँ पे
train on.
सिंथेटिक ट्रैक्स हैं, जहाँ पे अभी अच्छी फैसिलिटीज है जेएलएन में, वहाँ पे आप बड़े बड़े वो करा रहे हो, इवेंट्स करा रहे हो, किसी सिंगर का परफॉर्मेंस करवा रहे हो.
Well, let's not get into that.
बट आई मीन नहीं, बिकॉज वी आर रियली अ ह्यूज फैन ऑफ एथलेटिक्स, सो ये चीज हमें कंसर्न
Yeah,
करती
it's
है,
it's
राइट?
very
इट इज बट
painful.
ऑब्वियस कि
It's
हम
very painful. It's very painful to see the state that these federations, or like state, or like administrators of the specific stadium facilities, like they have put the like Jawaharlal Nehru stadium should be the crowning jewel of Indian
Indian athletics.
athletics. You know, it's like it hosted Commonwealth Games 2010, and so it should be like that. But
अभी रिले ट्रैक उनने वर्ल्ड पैरा चैंपियनशिप्स के लिए भी बनाया था,
हाँ,
बट दैट इज नॉट गेटिंग यूटिलाइज्ड
they
प्रॉपर्ली.
invested like close to 80 crores to renovate that track. Yeah.
अभी बट या आई मीन आई होप कि भाई जितने भी एथलीट्स हैं जो एस्पायरिंग बडिंग एथलीट्स हैं एटलीस्ट इन द नॉर्दर्न पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री कैन मेक यूज ऑफ दैट फैसिलिटी, बिकॉज इट
Yeah.
इज़ वेरी यूजफुल एंड इट कैन बी अ गेम चेंजर इफ द फेडरेशन एंड द स्टेट एसोसिएशंस वांट इट इन दैट वे. बट एनीवे आई मीन टॉकिंग अबाउट ओलंपिक्स, लेकिन पहले इसमें हम थोड़ा नॉन लीनियर ट्रैक हमने रखा है, बट दैट्स अ गुड थिंग.
Yeah.
लाइक द आइडियाज आर फ्लोइंग मच इन अ मच मोर बेटर वे, एंड आई थिंक दिस इज द वे वी शुड टेक इट फॉरवर्ड. नॉन लीनियर ही रखेंगे, बट इसके बाद मतलब कि 1984 ओलंपिक्स में जब पीटी उषा केम फोर्थ, आई थिंक तब सोवियत एंड ईस्टर्न ब्लॉक पूरा जो था दैट डिडंट शो अप, तो उससे थोड़ा कंपटीशन इजी रहा होगा. बट आई डू नॉट थिंक वी शुड टेक एनीथिंग अवे फ्रॉम पीटी उषा, हु हैज़ बीन वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट एथलीट्स ऑफ all time for India, at least in athletics. She has been a superstar. But when we move forward, 1996 में we got an individual medal courtesy of Leander Paes after how many? 44 years? 44
Yeah,
years, right?
yeah, and
52 के बाद 96 में, right?
Yeah.
So उसके बाद एथलेटिक्स में भी थोड़ी बहुत जान भरी गई थी वाया KM Binamol in 2000 ओलंपिक्स, जहाँ वो सिडनी ओलंपिक्स में सेमीफाइनलिस्ट रही, बट इन द क्वालिफिकेशन हीट शी केम फर्स्ट. आई मीन उनकी परफॉर्मेंसेज अगेन, these are the performance that should have been in the mainstream. We should have talked about it, because track is one event जहाँ पे अगर if you achieve a great result that can take your team or country to places, but वैसा हुआ नहीं कभी, उसको उस लेवल पे मैग्नीफाई करके दिखाया नहीं गया. हेप्टैथलॉन में आई थिंक जे शोभा थे 2004 ओलंपिक्स में, शी फिनिश्ड.
Yeah, what an inspirational story. Yeah.
story. Yeah, you must have seen that ओलंपिक्स पे भी उनका एक
yes, yeah.
था स्टोरी आफ्टर जैवलिन.
Yeah, after getting injured, she finished
the
her
heptathlon.
events. Yeah.
It is a grueling event,
Yeah.
and वहाँ पे नेशनल रिकॉर्ड करना, आई डोंट थिंक नेशनल रिकॉर्ड उन्होंने वहाँ किया था, नेशनल रिकॉर्ड उन्होंने दिल्ली में किया था ड्यूरिंग द नेशनल चैम्पियनशिप्स, बट वहाँ पे ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर, लाइक 5-8 पॉइंट्स का डिफरेंस रहा था डिस्पाइट बीइंग इंजर्ड. एंड इन द सेम ओलंपिक्स आई थिंक KM Binu, who is related to KM Binamol, I think they are siblings. उन्होंने भी 45.48 सेकेंड्स का टाइम क्लॉक करके नेशनल रिकॉर्ड किया था, which was great. But again, we have not highlighted those achievements enough. That is something I really feel from the bottom of my heart.
Yeah.
क्योंकि एथलेटिक्स एक ऐसा इवेंट है जहाँ पे अगर if you find a right talent ना, if you find a good talent, you can make him a generational wealth or a generational talent, because you can do so much things with him or her बिकॉज यू सी दिस गाय ओवर हियर उसेन बोल्ट,
Yeah.
इन्होंने भाई 8 ओलंपिक गोल्ड मेडल लाए, 8 ओलंपिक गोल्ड मेडल एक बंदे ने लाया,
यहाँ
ठीक है।
एक वाला उसका भी स्टोरी बता दो कि एक कहाँ गया.
एक गया वो डोपिंग में गया, ठीक है। सो अगेन डोपिंग एज वी हैव टॉक्ड, सिर्फ इंडिया को नहीं बहुत सारी कंट्रीज को उन्होंने परेशान किया वो डोपिंग ने।
So, but I wanted to hold you on this thing. Like doping is very prevalent in other countries too. Like, but it's like
वो पकड़े नहीं जाते, they have
but
that-
ये argument work नहीं करता है. You know, it's like पकड़े नहीं जाते.
नहीं
But
नहीं, मैंने वही बोला ना आपको कि भाई कोई सीनियर एथलीट किया, वो पकड़ा नहीं गया, तो उसने बोला कि भाई ये ले ले, इतने डोज में ले ले, माइक्रो डोजेज कर ले एंड यू विल बी फ्री, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी,
Yeah.
ठीक है। लेकिन ऐसा हो नहीं रहा है। इंडिया में नाडा अभी काफ़ी विजिलेंट हो गया एंड यू कैन नॉट रियली एस्केप दैट गन फ्रॉम नाडा, वो आपको कहीं पे भी टेस्ट कर सकते हैं। इवन द खेलो इंडिया यूनिवर्सिटी गेम्स अभी देख रहा था मैं, ठीक है, उसमें मल्टीपल DNSs थे बिकॉज दे गॉट द न्यूज़ कि भाई नाडा इज देयर टू टेस्ट देम, ठीक है। वन ऑफ द इवेंट्स दैट वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द अदर डे, दिल्ली में जो स्टेट मीट हुआ था,
Yeah,
उसमें फाइनलिस्ट 8 में से
that's a great.
that is so hilarious,
Like,
man. Just
kudos to Jonathan, right? Jonathan for writing that story. It's such a hilarious story. Like I can't. I think it's so funny. Oh my god.
बट इट इज फनी राइट नाउ इन हाइंडसाइट, जो हम सोचते हैं कि भाई फनी तो है, लेकिन भाई उससे नुकसान कितना होता है हमारे
Yeah,
एथलीट्स को,
it's
राइट?
crazy, yeah.
ठीक है। अभी रिसेंटली न्यूज़ आई है, संजना सिंह जो है हु वॉन 5015 मीटर इन साउथ एशियन चैम्पियनशिप्स, साउथ एशियन एथलेटिक चैम्पियनशिप्स इन रांची, शी हैज़ बीन टेस्टेड पॉजिटिव। हर कैंप इज सेइंग दैट वो कभी नहीं है। नाउ हर कोच इज अंडर फायर कि भाई तुमने क्या ऐसा दे दिया अपनी बच्ची को। सो दैट इज लाइक, अब क्या करना चाह रहे हो, क्या अचीव करना चाह रहे हो? उनको उनकी नॉर्मल पेस से अगर आप ग्रो करोगे ना, तो दे विल रीच अ गुड सीलिंग विदाउट एनी प्रॉब्लम। बट आप फिर भी अनफेयर मीन्स का सहारा ले रहे हो, दैट काइंड ऑफ बैफल्स माय माइंड है। वही है, मतलब कि हमने इंडिया की ओलंपिक्स की हिस्ट्री बात करी थी, हम इसके बारे में भी बात करें, बट दिस इज अ थिंग जो हमें लाइट में लाना है, जो जिसके
Yeah,
बारे
we
में
should talk about it more, the doping prevalence of doping in Indian athletics, because it's affecting our juniors. I think that's the most
disheartening thing.
disheartening thing, you know, like if an under 16 kid is taking like some
Prohibited
yeah
substance,
yeah in like they are not aware,
They're not
like
aware, yeah.
like
वो
for
बच्चे हैं
a,
अभी,
yeah,
yeah.
वो
They're minors.
16-year-old, like if the coaches are forcing them to take these things and do big just for what, just like some job or some government award, that's like
It is a
ruined.
criminal offense,
Yeah,
भाई.
yeah.
I do not know why it is not, क्योंकि अभी रिसेंटली एक लड़का है जो A10 में ट्रेन कर रहा था, आई थिंक मेरी इमहीर ब्रोक दैट स्टोरी। ब्रोक क्या मतलब कि उनने बताया कि भाई ही इज नाउ इन द जेल एंड ही इज रॉटिंग देयर। आई मीन इट्स सो, मतलब उसको आप फायदा ही नहीं कर पा रहे हो कि ये क्या हो रहा है भाई। 18-19 साल का लड़का है, ठीक है, वो वहाँ पे ट्रेन करने गया था, उसको किसी ने पैकेज डिलीवर देने को बोला एंड ही काइंड ऑफ ही गॉट लॉस्ट इन ट्रांजिशन विच
Yeah.
इज, इसको हम ठीक है, इसको आई डोंट वांट टू टॉक रियली अबाउट इट बिकॉज इट विल
No, but I really want to tell all the athletes, junior or seniors, like if we should talk about it more, you know. I think this doping in Indian athletics is very detrimental to the sport. Like if we
there
want,
needs to be enough outrage,
Yeah,
and
out-
I hope that the senior athletes at the level of Neeraj, at the level of Shri, at the level of Jyoti Araji, they should take that onus and they should make sure that the junior athletes are staying away from it. Even the senior athletes are not falling prey to this. So it's a very humble request from our end that
Yeah.
you please take note of these things and do not indulge in unfair means which will be detrimental for your own cause. वो आपकी ही करियर को खराब करेगी भाई, वो आपकी ही करियर को निस्तनाबूद करके छोड़ देगी। जस्ट मेक श्योर कि भाई आप फेयर रहें, आप फाइटिंग स्पिरिट को अप रखें और डोपिंग से दूर रहें, राइट? So that is the only request from my end, and also Ankush will resonate that point with me, right?
Yes.
But ठीक है, I mean this is one thing, and उसके बाद हाँ, हम 2000 तक बोले, 2004 ओलंपिक्स में एक्चुअली में दो और चीज़ें हुई थी। Like we had two finalists in the form of Anju Bobby George and 4 into 400 women's team,
Yeah.
the relay team.
Yeah.
That was crazy good. I mean, that time 400 मीटर में जो हमारी लड़कियां कर रही थी, मनजीत कौर, मनप्रीत कौर और KMB नमोल भी थी उस टाइम पे, एंड they were kind of pushing that bar up. बट अगेन जैसे हमने बोला, इट्स नॉट वेल डॉक्यूमेंटेड, तो
Yeah.
अभी हमारे पास सिर्फ एशियन मेडल्स ही आ रहे हैं. वी आर नॉट
Yeah, we've like digressed like from doing 350 like what time we did in
326
326
in
we
Athens.
did 332 in Paris.
Yeah, we have dipped. We have
Yeah,
dipped big
we've
time.
dipped, yeah. So it's like how do you progress? You know, like, and that's like
नहीं,
yeah.
AFI
Like
is-
I was happy with 4x400 meter in Paris also because they just missed by 0.32
The men's
men's
were-
men's 4x400 after
They
World
were fourth in their heat, right?
yeah, yeah.
Ninth
They
overall.
just missed by 0.32 and that was very unlucky that they didn't make it to the finals by that margin. But yeah, and for them to not qualify for World Athletics Championship, that was disappointing. Again, the federation comes into the play here, like breaking up the team, like due to some issues that we as fans are not privy to, you know.
Yeah.
But that's what I keep coming back to. There's
Yeah, but
no
उस टाइम पे मतलब कि
transparency.
कुछ इंजरीज भी हुई थी एथलीट्स को हमारे, सो वी कैन नॉट रियली से कि भाई एग्जैक्ट इशू क्या आया था. But that team got broken up.
Yeah, but
and-
we need to talk about Mohammad Anas.
Yes, the
Yeah.
3-time Olympian, and what a legendary
Yeah,
man.
I think he's the one of the
most understated
yeah.
athlete in.
It's
Indian
so
athletics.
underrated also. I think he's carried the quarter mile flag for
Yeah.
India, like from more than 10 years, right? And he's been yeah, always shows up, always shows up.
So yeah, I mean, talking about Mohammad Anas, yeah, he has been brilliant. I mean, when you look at his peak, 2017, 2018, 2019, he delivered some fantastic performances. Even the Commonwealth Games, he came fourth. Asian Games, silver medalist individually. I'm talking about that, right? Then breaking the national record and lowering it to 45.21. He is the one who must have inspired all these Amod Jacobs, Rajesh Ramesh's, and then we talk about the new kid on the block, Vishal TK, who is doing phenomenal and has broken his national record as well. So again, the future is bright on if and only if you take enough care of it, of the athletes that are promising. We want them to deliver as well. Promise बहुत देख लिया हमने, ठीक है, हार्ट्स भी बहुत जीत लिए हैं, अब हमें डिलीवर करने का टाइम है. एंड आई थिंक 2028 इज वन ईयर जहाँ पे मैं एक्सपेक्ट करूँगा कि भाई वी गेट द रिकॉर्ड नंबर ऑफ फाइनलिस्ट एट एन ओलंपिक्स इवेंट.
Yes.
अभी तक हमारे कितने फाइनलिस्ट रहे हैं ओलंपिक्स में, इफ यू कैन रिमेम्बर?
Yeah, so first 4, and then Anju Bobby George, maybe 5.
नहीं नहीं, मतलब कि मैक्सिमम इन अ सिंगल एडिशन. 2020 में आई थिंक इट वाज नीरज चोपड़ा, कमलप्रीत कौर भी थे, हु इवेंचुअली वी लॉस्ट टू डोपिंग अगेन, एंड
Less said, the better.
less said the better. Yeah, I mean, but 2020 Olympics में I think the greatest performance came after Neeraj Chopra, of course, was of the 4x400 quartet, जिनने उस टाइम का एरिया रिकॉर्ड जो है they had broken that. It was how much? 3:00:25. अब तो Japan it have taken it below 2:59, right?
Yeah.
So 4x400 का level is getting up. I think Asian Games and it will be very tough for our team to win a gold, because Japan will be a kind of getting their best team onto the park. एक तो 400 में मोहम्मद अनास की लेगेसी को हमें we should be speaking about it, because he has been 3-time Olympian. Once he did it individually as well in 2016. 2016 में he was in the 4x400 quartet as well. 2020 में again he led the team to an area record, and then in 2024 again we came very close, astonishingly close to the making it to the finals, but we were not able to. But his greatest moment must be the World Championships में 5th position, where the
What a
Indian
wild
team
race,
it was a wild race, exactly. And post that, नीरज चोपड़ा की ग्रेट अचीवमेंट्स ने इंडियन एथलेटिक्स को एक नया ऊर्जा काइंड ऑफ दी है, एक नई एनर्जी दी है, जिससे वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट अ लॉट ऑफ, बिकॉज जैवलिन में तो आ रहा है, बहुत सारा टैलेंट आ रहा है, बिकॉज in 2025 World Championships, we are forgetting to mention him, but we should definitely mention him. Sachin Yadav delivered his best.
Yeah, I
and
think
his,
he was the athlete of the championship for
Yes.
like I
Along
think
with Sarvesh, yeah.
Sarvesh and him.
Sachin Yadav,
Pooja did
a personal best.
personal best.
Also.
I think these three performance were the standout. I think.
Yeah, Tejas
Yeah.
also was very close to his
Yeah.
season's best. I mean, all these performances were good. Um, but again, talking about Sachin Yadav, his series was a consistent among all, even on the those who finished on the top three, and his performance needs to be appreciated. But again, we didn't see a lot of appreciation
Yeah.
coming from anyone in that regard, at least of all the mainstream media. Again, it's a
It's not
it's a roulette that we have to bring in, because we want to just hammer it into their heads that, hey, please talk about sports. That
They're not even covering the World Athletic Championship
Yeah, there was no
properly.
pre-show,
So,
post-show,
yeah. So like even the day before the championship started, like a lot of people didn't knew that is if Geo like
Hotstar.
Geo Hotstar is broadcasting or not. You know, like.
There was a kind of
Yeah, so
unawareness.
so they got the right, but they did nothing for the promotion.
Yeah.
They didn't even, like, it's a marquee event for athletics after Olympics. You got the rights. You're
Why
not
you not
even
promoting
telling the fans who wants to watch. This is like why would you not do it, you know?
I do not understand the
This is
mathematics of it.
like there are fans who are like
या
waiting
उनके
for
लिए मेरे हिसाब से पूरा मैथमेटिक्स का खेल है. अगर उनको एनफ व्यूज मिल रहे हैं तो उनको एनफ रेवेन्यू मिल रहा है. अगर उनको एनफ व्यूज नहीं मिल रहे तो
but
उनको
views,
रेवेन्यू नहीं मिल
but
रहा है.
there are like you
हाँ,
should
पर जब तक तुम मार्केट ही नहीं करोगे तो व्यूज कहाँ से आएंगे?
Yeah.
आई मीन आई एम रियली थैंकफुल. आई थिंक उस टाइम पे 10 स्पोर्ट्स पे आया था या फिर सोनी स्पोर्ट्स पे आया था जब मैंने पहली बार देखा था. ठीक है, एंड आई एम रियली थैंकफुल कि भाई उन्होंने दिखाया. तभी से मैं एथलेटिक्स का, मतलब 2009 में जब बोल्ट ने किया था, एंड 2011 में अगेन योहान ब्लेक केम अप. सो दीज इवेंट्स वर द वंस दैट वर्ल्ड चैंपियंस में मैंने देखे थे, और उससे मैं काफ़ी इंस्पायर हुआ था. एंड लाइक एज अ स्पोर्ट्स फैन, बिकॉज लेवल देख के उनका यू फील इंस्पायर्ड फॉर एनीथिंग यू वांट टू डू. ठीक है, आप अगर पढ़ाई भी कर रहे हो तो आप उसको देख के इंस्पायर हो सकते हो, बिकॉज दैट इज समथिंग दैट इज कॉमन अमंग एवरीथिंग, कॉमन अमंग ऑल. दैट इज द परसिवियरेंस और द विल टू डू गुड. तो that doesn't need you to be a sports person or anything, but you can watch that and draw inspiration from it.
yeah.
I think we are missing one or two athletes जिनके बारे में हम डिस्कस करना चाहेंगे before we wrap up this episode. 2012 में we had two brilliant discus throwers who made it to the finals at the Olympics. Right, Krishna Punia and Vikas Gowda in men's discus throw, right?
Yeah.
And अगेन विकास गौड़ा की लेगेसी को भी हमने प्रिजर्व नहीं किया है. कृष्णा पुनिया
Again the same
politics में चले गए, फिर उसके बाद
vanishing event phenomena comes into play, right? So we have had this athletes like who are like world level athletes, Vikas Gowda and Seema Punia, Krishna Punia. If you see the discus throw event, like currently we are falling behind.
We are 10 meters behind.
Yeah. So so this is what happens, like across this one thing has been consistent across our Indian history in the sport of athletics, that there will be a star, an athlete who comes and rises above at the world level, and then that event, then the athlete goes away, that event falls down also.
Correct.
And there will be some sort of resurgent like down the line in 30-40 years. We don't want that.
We don't want 30-40 years.
30-40, that's what happening. That yeah, it's I don't know like why
It's taking so much time.
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah.
इसका आंसर तो भाई किसी के पास नहीं है. मतलब लीस्ट ऑफ ऑल हम फैंस के पास. हम तो भाई हमेशा अपना हेड ही स्क्रैच कर रहे हैं कि भाई अभी तक तो यहीं थे, कहाँ चले गए भाई. इतने सारे एथलीट्स हैं हमारे पास. लाइक इन वुमेन्स डिस्कस वी हैड ट्रक लोड ऑफ टैलेंट ड्यूरिंग द मिड 2000s and 2000 this decade from 2004 to 2014.
It's very frustrating, you know.
फिर उसके बाद मल्टीपल डोपिंग केसेस
Yeah.
एंड पता नहीं इसका आंसर
Anyway, it's like let it be.
एनीवे बट हाँ मतलब विकास गौड़ा की लेगेसी को प्लीज अगर लोग सेलिब्रेट कर सकते हैं तो प्लीज करें. ही हैज बीन वन ऑफ द स्टॉलवर्ट्स ऑफ इंडियन एथलेटिक्स. ही मेड इट टू द फाइनल्स ऑफ 2009 वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप्स. आई थिंक 2011 में भी किया था, 2013 में भी किया था, 2015 में भी किया था. सो लाइक 3 या 4, आई डोंट नो 2009 में किया था कि नहीं, बट 2011, 13 और 15 में ही मेड इट टू द वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप्स फाइनल्स. राइट, 2004 ओलंपिक्स में ही केम 13th, विच इज़ एन इनक्रेडिबल फीट. आई मीन पर हम उसको इनफ सेलिब्रेट नहीं करते हैं, क्योंकि ये एक्चुअली में वही है, बूंद बूंद से सागर बनता है. लेकिन यहाँ पे बूंद को ही आप इवेपोरेट कर रहे हो जैसे ही वो इट्स लैंडिंग ऑन द सरफेस. बट दैट्स द ट्रूथ, इजंट इट द ट्रूथ? एनालॉजी कैसी भी हो बट बात सही है.
Yes, correct. I agree.
एंड इवेंचुअली फिर रियो ओलंपिक्स में वी हैड जस्ट द वन फाइनलिस्ट whom वी फील दैट वाज, बोलते ना आउट ऑफ द ब्लू भी तो नहीं, आउट ऑफ द ब्लू तो नहीं कहेंगे, बट एक ऐसा चीज था जहाँ पे हमारा रियो ओलंपिक्स बहुत खराब जा रहा था. एंड ललिता बाबर केम अप विद अ फिनोमिनल परफॉर्मेंस टू मेक इट टू द फाइनल्स. That is one of your favorite
Yeah,
performances
that's
as well.
my favorite athletic performance of all time at Olympics, because it it meant so much to me as a fan, because like all of our Indian athletes were like underperforming, and like
Across all sports,
disappointment
yeah.
after disappointment
In
after
Rio,
in
yeah.
Rio, like so much went into, like emotionally I was like exhausted, you know. And then yeah, and I didn't know who Lalita Babar was before watching it, but then when she finished the race, like steeplechase is like very fun event to watch
Yeah,
also,
it
you
is,
know.
it is.
And like then you realize, then you see, then you see, right, that she has like upgraded the national record by 7 seconds,
That's crazy. But
which
yeah.
is
Brilliant. It was
yeah,
brilliant.
like oh, it's crazy, you know. It's like so.
I mean, we have always had these source of inspirations, but we have never capitalized on them. That is
Yeah.
the whole point of this video, I guess.
Yeah.
Right? Because we
Yeah.
have failed to draw inspiration
Yeah.
and failed to build that crop. मतलब एक बारी crop लगी, उसके बाद निकाली, and then
Yeah.
we kind of
So the
left the field
progression
open.
is like the progression curve is not like this, you know. It just it's like
It's up and down.
yeah.
Although in steeplechase it has been going up, but we do not see a lot of athletes coming up. इसके बाद अंकिता एक है जो थोड़ा 3000 मीटर steeplechase में शिफ्ट किए हैं. But अविनाश सावले के बाद I am not seeing anyone. There was one athlete who made it to the finals in Lima World Under-20 Championships. I think his name is Shahrukh Khan. Not to be confused with the King Khan. But हाँ, शाहरुख खान ने फाइनल्स किया था, एंड उसके बाद उनका भी परफॉर्मेंस डिप होता गया है. Although he's a very young athlete, he must be 18 or 19 or 20 at this point in time, but still there is a lot of scope for improvement. But जो improvement देखने में एक normal trend रहता, improvement देखने में रहता, वो हमें नहीं मिला. But all these things aside, we have been a much better force to reckon with in field events lately, right? With the advent of throwing events and jumping events, we are seeing that there are a lot of young athletes also are coming up in these events who are kind of trying to raise the bar or trying to match the already good national standard. How do you see them in prospect of for the 2028 Olympics? Like obviously,
Which events are we talking about?
like we are talking about long jumps, triple jumps, and especially in the men's category, they are doing well. In javelin, we are doing well. In
Yeah, I think we'll need to see much more from them in the coming cycle.
Yeah, the
which
next
is,
2 years are very
yeah,
crucial, right?
Yeah. I think you'll get a fair idea in 2026 Asian Games.
Yeah.
Like medal will be galore at Asian Games, but you will need to see the actual performance, you know, like what time they are doing, and
Yeah, I think
how much
medals at
distance.
Asian Games should be taken as a pinch of salt,
Yeah,
right? In
yeah,
athletics, at
always,
least.
always.
At least in a few events.
Yeah,
but
we'll also see at Commonwealth Games also, like
Yeah.
how
Yeah.
certain athletes perform, you know, like
I have
that.
hopes from Gulveer Singh in Commonwealth Games. Let's see
Yeah.
how he goes there.
Yeah.
Because it is a very tough event again in Commonwealth Games. Uganda, Kenya, all these powerhouses are there. So to get a medal, and they usually send their best squad, to get a medal at that games will be something which will instill a lot of confidence in Gulveer. And for the this is not for the Commonwealth Games itself, for the in the run up for the Olympics as well, it will be a huge confidence booster if he could lay his hands on the Commonwealth medals. And then we have the rising crop of javelin throwers in India, who
Yeah.
are pushing each other. Like I think India is the best country right now in world javelin, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. There's
We
so
had four
many.
athletes in Tokyo
Yeah.
qualifying for the event and two for the finals. That is a
Yeah, so
great feat.
there's like a contrast to the thing that we've been discussing, right?
Hmm.
The like at least in javelin, I think there's substantial amount of
Talent.
yeah talent which we are preserving
हाँ.
through.
और ये बात भी हमने बहुत बारी बोली है कि भाई मेडल्स आएंगे तो टैलेंट अपने आप आएगा.
No, but the thing is, yeah, for in case of javelin, there's so much push from the corporates and all those things
Yes.
also. So the ecosystem is there, right?
Yes.
So it has created this thing, you know. Yeah, and that helps.
बट वही
Yeah.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ, देखो अगर आप इकोसिस्टम को इतना रोबस्ट बना लेना तो यू हैव 2 ओलंपिक गोल्ड मेडल्स
Yeah.
इन जैवलिन
Yeah.
itself. You can lay your claim on that, right? तो आपको इकोसिस्टम को ऐसे ही अगर आप 3-4 और स्पोर्ट्स आइडेंटिफाई करते हो तो मतलब देयर मस्ट बी लाइक 8 और 9 इवेंट्स इन देम कंबाइंड, और वहां से अगर आप मेडल लाते हो दैट विल बी ब्रिलियंट, राइट?
Yeah, yeah, because for India to be
A
a
sporting
sporting
power,
power, India needs to do well in
एथलेटिक्स
athletics.
दैट इज
Like,
लाइक बेयर मिनिमम आई
yeah,
थिंक.
yeah,
क्योंकि एथलेटिक्स ही आपका एक ऐसा इवेंट है जहाँ जहाँ पे ग्लोबली वैसा फैन फॉलोइंग मिलता है.
yeah.
और मतलब कि आई हैव सीन अ लॉट मोर, देयर इज अ यूट्यूब पेज ऑन, उनने जितना नीरज चोपड़ा की वीडियोस बनाई ना, मैंने किसी भी मतलब ही एनालाइजेस इट वेरी थरली.
Yeah.
एंड वैसी आउटरीच इंडिया में है ही नहीं. तो मतलब कि अगर आपको इंडियन किसी एथलीट का जो अच्छा कर रहे हैं उनके परफॉर्मेंस को एनालाइज करना, यू हैव टू सी समवन फ्रॉम अ फॉरेन लैंड टॉकिंग अबाउट देम. और फॉरेन लैंड में आपकी तभी बात होगी जब आप ओलंपिक मेडलिस्ट या फिर वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप मेडलिस्ट होगे, करेक्ट?
Yeah,
सो वही है मतलब कि वी नीड टू टॉक अबाउट दीज एथलीट्स much more in a much better way. We need to accumulate the data and their performances का जो भी ब्यौरा है in a way कि भाई उससे वो भी learn करे, आगे आने वाले athletes भी learn करे, right? So documenting all these things is paramount right now, and let's see where it takes us. But I have this belief that India can become a power to reckon with in athletics come 2040, come 2044 Olympics, because the system is in place now and athletes are coming up who are very much motivated also to kind of break that wall which is kind of hampering our progress for the very long time. So ये एक चीज़ है जो जिससे मैं काफ़ी उम्मीद रख रहा हूँ कि भाई इंडिया जो है 2040s 2050s तक आते आते विल बिकम एन एथलेटिक सुपर पावर इन, नॉट अ सुपर पावर बट अ पावर टू बी reckoned with in at the world stage. That's the hope and that is the belief that we keep it. How do you feel about it? Like, do you feel the same way? Because we see a lot of training facilities and investments coming up with the private organizations as well. So, do you
Yeah.
feel hopeful about it? How do you see that?
Yeah, I'll have to look at the data.
Yeah.
Yeah, because these
नहीं, डेटा तो अच्छा ही हो रहा है.
no, the thing is like these things you never know, right? So it's like future is very hard to predict.
It is, it is.
It's like it's
Extrapolation is
yeah,
difficult.
Yeah, it's always hard to predict. So yeah, you never know. So a lot of things will need to go right for
No,
this thing.
but first things first, the process has to be right,
Yeah,
which is
yeah.
getting kind of mended now.
Yeah, I
So
think
that's what I
yeah.
that's where I was coming from, like क्योंकि प्रोसेस अब ठीक हो रहा है, सो हम देख रहे हैं कि भाई बहुत सारे एथलीट्स ऐसे आ रहे हैं जो एक्चुअली में अच्छा करना चाहते हैं विदाउट डोपिंग एंड ये गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स के लालच के बिना.
Yeah.
दे वांट डू वेल. and that's the hope.
Yeah, we like I'm skeptical. I've always been skeptical because we've seen too many falls down, like across sports we've
That's
seen
true.
too many
That's true.
falls down. And so it's like by वो दूध का जला छाछ भी फूक फूक के पीता है so that's
बात तो
that's
सही है
where I
भाई,
am at. So,
बात सही है
yeah.
तुम्हारी, बट
uh,
एनीवे लाइक मैं अपने पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बताऊं तो मेरे को लगता है कि we have the potential to become one of the sporting powerhouses courtesy of athletics, and because हम एशियन गेम्स में कितनी बारी जीते हैं, कितने मेडल जीते हैं एशियन गेम्स में. आई थिंक वी आर द थर्ड बेस्ट टीम इन द वर्ल्ड, इन एशिया, सॉरी नॉट इन द वर्ल्ड, इन एशिया वी आर द थर्ड बेस्ट टीम, राइट, आफ्टर चाइना एंड जापान. तो वहाँ से अगर आप एशिया में थर्ड बेस्ट हैं तो आप वर्ल्ड में अगर एशियन कंट्रीज को देखें उसमें आप थर्ड बेस्ट तो नहीं है, आप काफ़ी नीचे आते हैं रोड पे. सो वाई इज दैट नॉट ट्रांजिशनिंग एशियन सक्सेस? सो मुझे तो ये भी ऑब्वियसली लगता क्या पता है मेरे को कि भाई मोस्ट ऑफ आवर एथलीट्स स्पीक फॉर द एशियन चैम्पियनशिप्स, एशियन गेम्स, विच इज़ नॉट अ गुड एटीट्यूड टू हैव.
yeah.
सो ओलंपिक्स के लिए अपने आप को प्रिपेयर करें, एंड वी होप टू सी ग्रेट रिजल्ट्स इन coming decade or so. But
Let's-
yeah, this is mostly it about Indian athletics at the Olympics, and we discussed a lot of points that kind of pertain to like Indian athletics and how
So,
we can make
I
it
think-
better as well.
Yeah, I think the episode is like it's more about the.
Did you feel it's a rant or it's an episode?
No, it's not. It's like it's our culmination of our frustration of like things that are not the the
मतलब मुझे यही
phenomena.
समझ नहीं आता हम इतना पैशनेटली फॉलो कर रहे हैं, वो पैशनेटली दिखा क्यों रहे हैं, या पैशनेटली उसको.
No, it's not about कि why is it कि एक इवेंट में we suddenly become world class and after becoming world class we just stagnate. There's like for years there's no progress. That's what hampers the Indian athletics much more.
वही अगेन जो
you know?
क्रॉप आती है उसको इनफ बेटर कोचिंग
So सारा अटेंशन और फोकस एक एथलीट पे चला जाता है ड्यूरिंग व्हेन इन हिज पीक इयर्स
Yeah.
एंड आफ्टर ही द
he or her he or
goes
she
away
did,
and that event suddenly dips.
Dips.
So
We have seen numerous examples
yeah
of
yeah
these,
yeah,
but-
yeah. So that's what the underlying frustration
Crops from,
yeah.
but again that is what we are here to address
Yeah.
about, and we will be talking about it very blatantly. जो problems है उनको हमने अच्छे से बता दिया है, and this is for our viewers, all you guys, to kind of take note of, and please share these thoughts with the pertinent people so that हमारा स्पोर्ट्स का जो इकोसिस्टम है एथलेटिक्स का भी ऑल्सो वो बेटर हो सके, और कोई भी प्रॉब्लम जो है एथलीट्स ना फेस करे जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दीज ब्यूरोक्रेटिक इश्यूज. दैट इज द होल थिंग दैट वी वांट टू ब्रिंग टू योर नोटिस, एंड कीपिंग आवर स्पिरिट्स हाई. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा मेरे को भी मालूम है ये थोड़ा पेंसिल सा गया है ये एपिसोड, बट पॉइंट ये है कि दिस इज समथिंग विच इज़ रियली सैड कि हम इतना टैलेंट होने के बाद भी एथलेटिक्स में ज़्यादा कुछ कर नहीं पाए ओलंपिक्स में. बट आई होप थिंग्स आर चेंजिंग फॉर गुड, एंड थिंग्स विल चेंज फॉर गुड. सो कीपिंग दैट बोलते हैं ना उसको मिशन एंड योर ड्रीम अलाइव.
Yeah.
So we hope that you like this episode of the second episode of ID Sports Podcast. Please like this video and share it with your friends, and write down in the comments below what you feel could have been done better, what we could have spoken more, and also write down in the comments about your thoughts about Indian athletics and how we can grow as a nation in this great sporting discipline, right? And do like our channel again, and subscribe to it, and share this video with your friends, and we'll see you the next time,
Yes.
right?
Correct.
And see you.
Bye.
Bye.